Hi there, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to Quick Crafts. Okay, so we're going to be using some of our brand new stamps again today. We've got a tag here, nice, quick, easy tag to make. We've got our gel press, so I'm using the elements and then we're going to stamp over the top. So starting with our tag, which is our watercolour card, let's pop that to the side and get started on creating our lovely background. So I've got the russet orange here. I'm going to place that down and then taking the henna, which is a darker colour, I'm just going to pop a little of that on the base of the tag.